we believe this technology should make our lives better. It should make societies better. Technologies are the sources that you harness to make world a better place. So we took these technologies to various parts of the world. In Africa, we trained 700 women. In parts of the Mississippi Delta in United States, where there is extreme poverty, we took these technologies there, and in India and Nepal and various parts of the world. And what we learned was it was amazing to see, because these people didn't have to unlearn anything. And these technologies that operate on a human language is a more natural way for everybody to work. And so we were able to take a person in Mississippi who was flipping burgers for $15 an hour or less to $120,000 job in 3 months. And what it told us is that talent is evenly distributed, opportunity is not. This person in Mississippi was flipping burger was capable of doing many things that you would expect from somebody in Silicon Valley, but they just didn't get exposed to it. So this is an opportunity for us. And since then, we have seen this play out again and again in all parts of the world, because people are amazing everywhere. Out of 700 women who got educated in first 2 months, 450 got a job in AI.